so this was our second day in Hawaii. We went from Kona to Hilo on the east side of the island. And we went to go see some waterfalls, and we went to explore a cave also. And on this stop, we saw the lava that Mauna Loa has left behind. Here we finally arrived at one of the caves that we went to go explore. We're at the Kamana Caves. That's where we're going right now. Going down into the cave. Which side do we go? Left or right?
Bueno, yo aquí no paso. No, porque está oscuro. No, vayan, con cuidado. Con cuidado.
As you can tell, the cave is pretty dark. This is cool. This is all lava. The cave that was made by lava. Right now I'm just using the light from my cell phone, but it goes deep and I don't know how far down I want to go. I can barely see up here. I can see where I'm walking. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it was all lava formation. Look at this, it looks like chocolate. That's cool. Look at that. Cracks. So it looks like chocolate. That's cool. I think this is as far as I'm gonna go, since I don't really have a good flashlight. All the way down there into that cave. It's pretty cool. But all around this area, the interesting area of this cave. If you ever decide to explore this cave or any cave, make sure you have a good flashlight. It was kind of tricky to figure out the lighting situation, but I used my cell phone, which for me to walk around the cave was really good, but as far as for the video, not so well. We finally arrived at Rainbow Falls, which is a nice falls area where we went to take some pictures. The falls that creates rainbows. The Battle of the Waikiu River. Afterwards, we went on our trip and we made it to Akaka Falls State Park, which is a little north of Hilo. And this one we paid to get in the park. And for parking, it was well worth it because we got our exploration and walked a lot up and down stairs. You know, thinking the same thing. I was gonna say, cuidado con la víbora. La víbora. I was gonna point, and then you said that about the snakes. This is kind of like walking in a jungle, which in a way it kind of is. And we can hear the waterfalls in the background. We can hear they're pretty close, knowing that there's water flowing everywhere. This goes up.
Oh, this is a look point.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, it's a lot of walking, going up and down the stairs, but at the same time, it's very good exercise.
It's a jungle. We went up some stairs, and now we're walking through the jungle area. But you hear the waterfall somewhere over there. Look at these trees. Pretty cool. Wow.
And we finally made it to the main attraction, the big waterfalls, Akaka Falls. Now that we saw the falls, it's time to go to our next destination.
Look, falling rocks.
We drove quickly from Hilo to Kona to go to our next adventure, which was to swim with the manta rays at night. Very interesting experience. The captain took us about a mile into the Pacific Ocean, where we would meet up with the rest of the crew. Some of the crew were actually doing scuba diving, and we were doing snorkeling with the manta rays. It's interesting to see a lot of creatures. These creatures are actually plankton that the manta rays feed off of. And we are actually swimming at night. So the light that you see is because our flotation device that we're using has a blue light. So we can actually see a little bit better. But other than that, it is dark. The Manta Ray Snorkeling tour here in Kona. Very interesting, and I did it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool experience swimming with manta rays at night. snorkeling and watching them go by. I believe we saw about 5 manta rays passing by. Just know that they're 16 feet in width. Just swimming right on by. If you ever get to go to Hawaii, try to do the experience of snorkeling. And if you can, snorkel at night.